If you are struggling to lose weight, do not get discouraged. In today's video we going to show you an effective and healthy way to do just that, with the famous keto diet. If are new to our channel, please subscribe for more contents like this. We post new videos almost every day, so do not miss out. And do not forget to hit the notification bell. A keto diet is a low-carb, moderate protein, higher fat diet that can help you burn fat more effectively. It has many benefits for weight loss, health, and performance. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When ketosis happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain. A ketogenic diet is an effective way to lose weight and lower risk factors for disease. Greatly recommended by doctors. A ketogenic diet can be especially useful for losing excess body fat without hunger and for improving type 2 diabetes, reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels. This, along with the increased ketones, has numerous health benefits. On a keto diet, your entire body changes its fuel supply to run mostly on fat, burning fat 24 hours a day. When insulin levels become very low, fat burning can increase dramatically. It becomes easier to access your fat stores to burn them off. The keto diet comes from the fact that it allows the body to produce fuel molecules called ketones. This is an alternative fuel source for the body, used when blood sugar is in short supply. 4 types of keto diet. Standard ketogenic diet (SKD). This is a very low-carb, moderate protein and high-fat diet. It typically contains 75% fat, 20% protein and only 5% carbs. Cyclical ketogenic diet (CKD). This diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, such as 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 high-carb days. Targeted ketogenic diet (TKD). This diet allows you to add carbs around workouts. High-protein ketogenic diet. This is similar to a standard ketogenic diet but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein and 5% carbs. The most important thing to do to reach ketosis is to not eat too many carbs. You should keep carb intake under 50 grams per day of net carbs. What to eat on a keto diet to remain in ketosis? Lower carbs is generally better. Numbers are per 100 grams of it food. Fish and seafood has 0 carbs. Olive oil and butter has 0 carbs. Meat, in general, has 0 carbs. Cheese has 1 carb. Eggs has 1 carb. Vegetables that grows above ground has 1 to 5 carbs. What to avoid? Bread, FOURTY 6 carbs. Potatoes 15 carbs. Soda, 52 carbs. Fruit 6 to 20 carbs. Beer THYRTEEN carbs. Cooked rice 28 carbs. Donut FOURTY 9 carbs. Candy 70 carbs. Chocolate bar 60 carbs. Cooked pasta 29 carbs. You should eat food higher in fat, since fat provides the energy that you are no longer getting from carbohydrate. Low-fat products usually provide too many carbs and not enough fuel from protein and fat. Keto meal plan for 1 week to try it out just for EXEMPLE. Monday breakfast, sugar-free yogurt with peanut butter, cocoa powder. Lunch, beef stir-fry cooked in coconut oil with vegetables. Dinner, bun-less burger with bacon, egg and cheese. Tuesday breakfast, a sugar-free milkshake. Lunch, shrimp salad with olive oil and avocado. Dinner, pork chops with Parmesan cheese, broccoli. Wednesday breakfast, bacon, eggs and tomatoes. Lunch, chicken salad with olive oil and cheese. Dinner, salmon with bacon cooked in butter. Thursday breakfast, ham and cheese omelette with vegetables. Lunch, ham and cheese slices. Dinner, white fish, egg and spinach, cooked in coconut oil. Friday breakfast, bacon, eggs. Lunch, chicken salad with olive oil and cheese. Dinner, salmon with tomatoes cooked in butter. Saturday breakfast, egg, tomato and cheese omelette. Lunch, almond milk, peanut butter, cocoa powder and sugar-free milkshake. Dinner, meatballs, cheddar cheese and vegetables. Sunday breakfast, omelette with avocado, salsa, onion and spices. Lunch, a handful of nuts and celery sticks with guacamole. Dinner, chicken stuffed with pesto and cream cheese and vegetables. What to drink? Water 0 carbs. Tea 0 carbs. Coffee 0 carbs. Red wine 2 carbs. The fewer carbs you eat, the more effective it seems to be for weight loss, appetite suppression, diabetes. A keto diet is a very low-carbs diet, containing less than 20 grams of net carbs per day, and tends to be highly effective. Keto diet benefits is weight loss, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Control blood sugar and reverse type 2 diabetes. A keto diet is excellent for managing type 2 diabetes, leading to complete reversal of the disease. More than 30 high-quality scientific studies show that, compared to other diets, keto diet result in more effective weight loss. Appetite control. With a keto diet you are likely to gain a new control over your appetite. This usually makes it easy to eat less and lose weight. More energy and mental health, increased mental performance. Also, it is common for people to experience an increase in energy when in keto diet. Better physical endurance. Increase your physical endurance by improving your access to the large amount of energy in your fat stores. Healthy stomach, less gas, fewer cramps and less pain. Along with many other benefits like less acne, control high blood pressure, control migraine, improve mental health issues and heartburn. What happens after I reach my goals on a keto diet? As soon as you reach your goals you can keep eating keto to maintain the effect, or revert to your old habits, and slowly return to the weight and health situation you had before you started your keto diet. Slowly lose the benefits. Only works as long as you keep doing it. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If are new to our channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell and leave your comments below.